Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We've got very nice conditions out there once again this morning as the nice fall weather has continued through the middle of the week, and we're going to end the week with pretty nice weather as well, with another day of temperatures pretty comfortable for this time of year. We'll see daytime highs today getting up to around 60 degrees, so a very nice day once again for us at the Wallops Flight Facility. Looking at the current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that moved through last night, again, moisture starved, not having any precipitation along the frontal boundary. Just a few upper level clouds out there this morning associated with that front. That's drifted south of our region and caused our winds to shift more out of an easterly direction this morning. It's going to give us slightly cooler conditions than what we saw yesterday, but still pretty warm. Again, that temperature rising to around 60 degrees today. Looking at the satellite and radar composite, you can see a little bit of upper level cloudiness, a little thicker up to our north and east, but that is moving off the coast, and we'll probably see a little bit of decrease in cloudiness as we go into the late morning and early afternoon hours before clouds increase once again later on tonight, where another weak frontal boundary will be moving through the region. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, or current conditions, excuse me, we're looking at, again, that upper level cloudiness in store for us this morning and through the remainder of the day. Scattered deck currently at around 20,000 feet, scattered deck at 25,000 feet with those easterly winds at 9 knots and the temperature at 53 degrees. Looking at the next 24 hours and what we can expect here in a little bit more detail. Again, temperatures rising to right around 60 degrees today. We'll call it a high of 59 with partly cloudy skies continuing through the afternoon. Those winds currently out of an easterly direction around 7 to 12 knots will slowly start to turn more of an east-southeast to a southeasterly direction later this afternoon, and actually start to decrease as we go into the late afternoon hours. Looking for southeasterly winds at around 4 to 8 knots late this afternoon into the early evening hours before those winds turn more out of a southwesterly direction later this evening, and eventually out of the west after midnight tonight as that frontal boundary moves through the area. You'll see those clouds start to increase later on this evening after midnight tonight, but looking like a very slight chance of just a light rain shower or sprinkle. Those rain chances look to be under 10% for this evening, so we'll probably continue our dry streak as that frontal boundary moves through, not really having much moisture along the front. We'll see just mostly cloudy skies during the overnight period, and then wake up to partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies during the morning, with those clouds beginning to decrease during the morning hours of Friday. Taking a look at our next couple of days, on Friday and Saturday, we'll start out mostly cloudy during the early morning hours, becoming partly cloudy by late morning with a daytime high of 56 degrees. And as we get into the overnight period of Friday, we'll see a cooler air mass in place, mostly clear and chilly conditions with a low temperature of 33 degrees. And then for Saturday, cooler weather in store for us, partly cloudy skies and a daytime high of 50 degrees. That'll wrap it up for your daily operations forecast. We'll be back at 10 a.m. with a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.